How to use the free hit chip in Fantasy Premier League. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So today in this video tutorial, we'll be discussing about using a free hit in FPL. So first, you need to go ahead and install the latest version of FPL application on your mobile device. Go ahead and launch the application. Make sure that it's updated to its latest and newest version available, and also log into your specific account. Once you're in the home page, go to the fantasy section from the bottom of the screen, that is between latest and matches. Here you'll get two different options of pick team and transfers. Go ahead and tap on pick team. If you have a free, it will allow you to make unlimited free transfers for a single game week. To use this, you need to go to transfers first. Tap on the free hit option, which is available in the top right corner of your screen. Tap on play chip and tap on yes to confirm. Then after, choose a player that you want to replace. Select a replacement player and tap on next. And if your free hit is available, you'll see the option to confirm it. And then tap on confirm. And if you've already used your free hit, it will show as unavailable. So that's how you use a free hit. So if you found this guide helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.